Hey, why choosing print-on-demand niche is important? Super sarcastic, bright design, colorful image, it really potential even more special. I think it's so good. Oh wait, don't hesitate to plan to have a successful love season. Let's begin. Understanding your customer need, their expectation, allow you to create the product that are relevant to them, which means you will have an easier time making sales. By offering the product that people are looking for, you can tap into existing demand to more effectively capture the attention of potential customers. And Valentine's Day is no exception. This is the time when shoppers wanted to tend a lot in the first month in 2024. So, don't hesitate to plan to have a successful love season. Don't worry if you have chosen the love niche for store yet. In this video, I will suggest you 5 Valentine niche to boost your business. Oh wait!
I hope you don't forget to like, share and subscribe my Thai YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to receive notification about the latest video.
Let's get started! On Valentine's Day, you often do see niche that are very popular from years to year, such as bad lover, couple matching, or sad lover for single people, right? There's some new thing for you on Valentine's Day in 2024. Anti-Valentine's Day, just like the name implies, this niche go in the opposite direction of your typical love in the air message. This is an interesting contrasting reaction. The feeling of people who are not in a love relationship, especially Gen Z, they tend to be highly autonomous and independent, not wanting to feel imposed or dependent on anyone. Maybe many people don't like sarcasm, but Gen Z is super sarcastic and love ironic humor. Therefore, try to potential niche for your store on Valentine's Day. Classes often enjoy small party together on major holiday, and Valentine's Day is no exception. Valentine's Day is a day to express love between students. According to the research on Etsy with the keyword Valentine for class, return is surprising result. From there, you can also see the potential of this niche. With bright design, colorful image combined with cost, it will definitely catch customer eye. If your co-worker was given a lovely gift on Valentine's Day, how could they react? I see that co-worker niche is really potential for use on Valentine's Day. When searching on Etsy, we can see that there is not too much competition for Valentine's Day jobs. Cleverly combined with effective marketing campaigns to make your store stand out. Potential product you can combine with mug, photo nightlight, tote bag, keychain, or pillow. From that, I think I should prepare the cute gift for my co-worker on the Valentine's Day in 2024. That's a not bad idea, right? You know, personalizing important place always makes a great gift, but you can make it even more special by tying it into Day of Love. This is not a completely new idea, but it's a great idea for your product. It could be the first place they met, the first place on a date, or the first kiss. And of course, this idea not only sold on Valentine's Day but also all year around. For example, you can make it a great gift idea for anniversary or even for birthday or something like that. I think it's so good. Wow, once again, we have affirmed that LGBT niche is really potential for print on demand. It's even better when combined with Valentine's. Combining the Valentine niche with LGBT will create unique products and design that are rarely available in the traditional market. This combination helps create product diversity and bring the new experience to customers. And don't forget to visit the merchant website link on the description box to see all potential products on the Valentine's Day 2024. With everlasting color palettes to pink, red, and white, definitely say Valentine's Day but can still be used year-round. Don't forget to like and comment below what content you want to merchandise to do next. And goodbye!